Invest for the long term and reap the benefits of dividends. I'm sure this is a phrase we all have heard from our elders and investor friends, and they are not wrong. Dividends are indeed a great source of passive income. But wait, there is a slight catch here. What most people don't know is that there is a tax liability attached to the profits from dividends or dividend income. Under the Finance Act of 2020, all the dividends earned from stocks and mutual funds from April 1st, 2020 onwards are now taxable income for investors. This means when you are planning your taxes, those dividends need to be counted as part of your taxable income. Now, let's understand how to easily file taxes for dividend income on ClearTax. Firstly, log into cleartax.in, link your PAN and pre-fill your details. Pre-fill is a process by which ClearTax will automatically fill in 90% of your details available with the Income Tax Department. After the pre-fill, you'll be able to see your dividend income in this section. In case you have not pre-filled your information, you can go to the income sources and navigate to the capital gains income section. And here you need to go to the stocks and mutual fund section and simply click on the broker platform you want to file taxes for. You can either click on the login and import button, after which you simply need to log into your broker platform, and after your successful authentication, ClearTax will automatically fetch reports to fill in details of your capital gains and calculate the correct tax liability in seconds. The other option is to click on the browse files and upload your tax PIN and report. You can download this report from your broker's platform. To know how to download the report from your respective broker, you can simply click on the link in the description where we explain this whole process in detail. Or you can click on the detailed steps to download the file button as well. This tax PNL report will contain details about your dividend income. After uploading, ClearTax will then read your report to automatically fill details of your capital gains and dividend income. You can click on the view button to see details about your dividend as well. In case your broker is not listed, you also have other option to report your dividend income. For that, you need to simply go to income sources section, scroll down and go to interest, dividend, gaming and other income section and navigate to the dividend income section and click on add details. After which you need to download the ClearTax template, fill all the details mentioned in the template and then click on the import button to import the file. ClearTax will then calculate your dividend income. You can check the details and edit them as well. Now, simply click on the go to next button and continue with completing your ITR filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So friends, that's how easy it is to file taxes on dividends on ClearTax. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now. And for more such informative videos, do like this video and subscribe to our channel.